Hey guys, welcome to my space Jude Design, and today we'll be doing this amazing design on Photoshop. Come on, let's go. So first of all, as we all know, we open our Canva on Photoshop. I'm using 150 by 150. Then on Pincel 150 by 150, go to solid color and let's choose green. This is okay for me. We can copy the color code here. Okay. Next thing is to go to our rectangle to choose the cycle and let's cycle this. I hold down Alt so it will be accurate, it won't be distraught. And let's change the color. I'll just adjust this and I'll make it bigger. Yeah. Okay. Now next step is to duplicate, which I can just hold down my Alt and drag, or you can press Ctrl J on keyboard, whichever way you prefer. I think this is perfect. Let me just adjust a bit. Okay, this is good. Let's see. Yeah. So I'll bring in my image. It's good. Let's see. Yeah. So I'll bring in my image. These pictures I downloaded them on Pinterest. So I'll leave the link in the description below, or you can actually go to www.pinterest.com to download any PNG image you want for free. So come on. Then next step, I'll just adjust it. Adjust, and this is okay. I think I'll position it in the middle. Okay, just flip it a bit. Then I flip horizontally by right clicking and flip horizontal. So I choose my image and I'll just create a new layer and go to test. Under my image and just type in music. So I'll select the 720. I'm using Roboto. I think I should change it to pumping. Yeah, perfect pumpings. Okay. Then let me choose maybe bold or extra bold. Both should do. And I'll just type in music. Okay. Then I'll just adjust my music to the middle and make it a little bit bigger. Let's see. Oh, sorry. Too big. Okay. Longer. Good. I'll just adjust it to the middle. Okay. Perfect. Good. I'll just duplicate this, pressing Ctrl J. Let's change the image, the color first. I think I'll be using darker. I think this is perfect. And okay, reposition it. I think I prefer it this way. Good. Go to my layer. Being on my music layer, I'll just duplicate. Ctrl J 2 times. So select my move tool and just move it downward. Okay. And you can hold down Alt so it would, no, sorry, Shift so it won't distort. I think this is perfect. Yeah. Sorry, let me remove this one. If you are using the upgraded version of Photoshop, it always pump up this way. Okay. I think I'll choose the middle one. Next thing is to create a layer mask. The last step test, and I think gradient is also perfect. But you can actually use brush to do that. I think the one you prefer. So I think I'll change the color or the gradient. come to that. Let me group this together. Yeah, so let me group this together also. But next step is to create a layer. Then create a layer here. Then I'll just go to my color. This is brush, change color to maybe this one, a lighter green, so we can put in some shadow, some light. So just click in the middle, light. I think this is good. Yeah, creating a new layer, putting in another light. Okay, then put it up front and just change the color. Go to blending option and go to color overlay. Just change the color. I think this is good. This is optional. You can actually decide to do this or not. It doesn't really matter on this particular design. So our next step is to, let me see if I can still change this color. Go to color layer and see color overlay and see if I can change this to, I think this is good. Yeah, okay. Our next step is text. Oh, sorry, let me cancel this and put it down here. Okay, first of all, I'll change to 36. Then I can still using Puppet or maybe 30. Just, yeah, or Roboto. Whichever text you prefer, it should be okay. Let's do medium or regular. Okay, I just type in 5 minutes. That's MI. Okay, give it space. Charge. Not this one. This line. Okay. Okay. And 4 hours. S. Okay. I'll just go to my move layer, my move tool, sorry, and just adjust a bit and reduce the size like this. I'm holding down shift actually. Then we'll change the color. We'll definitely change the color to something white. Yeah, this is okay. Then I'll adjust a bit. This is good. Then create a new layer. Go to text again. Under, let me change it to pumping. Also, yeah. I think I will do extra bold. I will do 60 or 72. 72 is okay. Then I'll just type in buy now. Okay. And just put it in the middle, reduce the size. Yeah, I'm holding my Alt and Shift to reduce the size. This is good. To go like this. Yeah, I think this is too. Let me increase this one. Reduce a bit. Okay. For me, I prefer this way actually. And by now, just yes, this is something. Yeah, in the middle, perfect. Then by now, just shift this in the middle. Okay, I think we are good to go. Next step is to just type in. Let me another test. You can actually create a new layer if you want, but as you know, tests always mostly come with layers. So I'll choose medium, then I'll just increase it to maybe 16 or 18. Pump it is okay. www dot, just type in, let me see, airpod.com. Okay, go to my move tool and just let me increase it so you can see it better. Okay, just increase it, reduce it a bit. Yeah, then put it here by your right. I think this is good. Reduce it a bit. Yeah. Okay. Let's change the color. I think we should change the color. Yeah. Let's say green. So yeah, this is good. I like this one. Okay. Now we have our design. This is our design. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, share, comment, and see you next week. Peace out.